Let's actually give it some altitude. Actually looks really cool up there. For a gimmicky little drone, this thing actually flies really well. Okay, so I thought I'd just do a quick flight test of the Eachine E019 that Colski drone sent me. So let's actually put it down, take it up and see how well it actually performs. Cool. Okay, it's a bit windy, so let's crank it up to speed mode 2. There we go, and now it should fly alright. For a gimmicky little drone, this thing actually flies really well. Now kids are going to love this thing. Such a fun little drone to fly. If I'd have had this when I was a kid, I would have gone mad, to be honest. This is pretty cool, and like I say, it flies well. And you get around a 10-minute flight time, which is not bad from the tiny little battery it has. And that's the speed mode 2, and like I say, it's flying alright, cutting through the wind okay. Altitude hold is working reasonably well. Bring it down, see if we can do a flip. Nice. Fly around the pond a little bit. Okay, yeah, this thing works really well. It's actually quite fun to fly. And like I say, kids will love this thing. I'm going to actually give this to my friend's little boy. I think he's really, he's like 14 or nearly 14. I think he'll have some fun out of this. Okay, let's bring it down for a little landing then. That's it. I just wanted to do a little test flight. Now when it's not windy, as you can see, it's very stable. It is drifting, but that is the wind taking it. So it is a very stable little drone. So let's do an automatic landing then. Nice. Okay, so why I thought I'd fly this, I thought I might as well give it a try in the paraglider mode. It does fly a little bit different, and it is affected a little bit more by the wind, but it's great fun to fly. So let's actually take it up and see how well it does. The wind's calmed down a little bit as well now, which is going to be helpful. Now you just got to remember, in paraglider mode, the altitude doesn't raise up as quickly because there's a little bit of more downforce weight to it, but as you can see, it still flies pretty cool. Take it out there, look. Very cool little drone. Now if I'd have got this as a kid, I would have been so impressed. So these do make great toy drones for kids. Like I say, I'm going to give this one to my friend's son because he really enjoyed this. Let's fly over the pond a little bit. Very cool. Let's actually give it some altitude. Actually looks really cool up there. Awesome. Fun little drone to fly. And considering it is quite a gimmicky drone, like I say, it actually flies really well. Flies better than a lot of generic shaped drones, to be fair. It does a really good job. So I just want to say another thank you to Colski Drones for giving me this little drone. Like I say, My little girl got a bit of fun from it. Okay, so let's fly around for a little bit longer, then we'll land it in. The battery's starting to go, so I'm starting to lose a bit of power on there. Oh yeah, very cool little drone to fly. Very cool. Speed rate 2, so a little bit quicker now. And here we go, battery's running out now, so I'm going to actually bring it into land. So let's see how well it lands in this mode, shall we? Nice, actually lands better in this mode than it does with the man on top. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Go check out this Eachine E019 drone, because like I say, it's fun. If you've got kids, this would be a perfect little present for them. So happy RCing everyone. Take care. Bye bye.